Puppies only get one chance to grow up, and just like humans, nutrition plays a vital role in how puppies grow and develop. When puppies get the right nutrition, it sets them up for a strong and healthy start to life, because the right nutrition helps to support the development of their immune system, the growth and strength of their bones, the development of their brain and muscles, and positively impacts their growth potential. Puppies grow at a much faster rate than we do and have very different nutritional needs. Unlike cats, dogs vary greatly in size, and so their diet must be closely matched to their growth potential. This is why it is essential that puppies are fed the right amount of food over the right amount of time to help them reach their adult size in the healthiest possible condition. Take small breed puppies for example. They will usually reach their adult size at 10 months of age. Giant breeds, on the other hand, can take up to 2 years to finish growing. Did you know a puppy's bones need to develop to be 4 times the strength of concrete? This can be only achieved by feeding a complete and balanced diet that has the correct amount of minerals, such as calcium and phosphorus, to support their bone development. The growth phase of your puppy's life is one of the most critical. Getting the balance of key nutrients right is so important, but it can be also very confusing with so many food options available. Royal Canin diets are uniquely and specifically formulated to support your puppy's growth and development. Royal Canin ensures that every bite is packed with a specific combination of antioxidants, including vitamin E and vital nutrients to support puppies' delicate digestive and immune systems, helping to build strength and enhance their natural defences. So please speak to your veterinarian for the best recommendation on a diet that will give your puppy the best start to life.